everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so ecstatic to be sharing with you 5 simple ways to decorate your home for fall. Now, before we get started, I would like to thank Lutron for sponsoring this video. I am going to share with you guys how I am cozying up our guest bedroom with some light dimmers. It's so cool, and I cannot wait to share more with you guys, so stay tuned. So the first way that you can cozy up your home for fall is definitely by using these pillow wraps. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 with an additional 40% off. One of them said thankful and the other one said bless. I absolutely love them because they're very, very easy to use and to store once the holidays are over. All you have to do is place the wrap around the pillow of your choice. I think this one is an 18 by 18, so it's a little bit big. And then you just affix the Velcro in the back, and then I'm just going to kind of even out the pillow a little bit because it's squeezing it in and centering the word thankful in the middle, and then I'll add the blessed one in another chair. But I love this option because not only is it budget friendly, but it also is perfect for storage after the holidays are over and you don't have to find a place for a lot of new pillows. Tablescaping or table styling is definitely an amazing way to cozy up your home for fall. I have an entire video dedicated to how I put together this tablescape, so you guys stay tuned for that video. When I think about cozying up a space or making a space in my home cozy for the fall, the first thing that I think about outside of something soft and comfy like a throw is definitely the lighting. The lighting is so important to me, and I'm so thrilled to have teamed up with Lutron to bring you this portion of the video. My husband is also super thrilled because now we have a solution for me waking up in the wee hours of the morning to pray and meditate and going in the guest room, which is the room that we are adding the dimmer switch to. I wake up early in the morning and I go in that room to pray and meditate, and I have to turn the lights on. And so, you guys know, if you're sleeping at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning and someone turns on the light, it can definitely disturb your sleep. But with this dimmer, it is so easy to put together. All you have to do is kind of match the wires together. Make sure you kill the power first and match the green with the green, the black with the black, the red with the red, and the white with the white. And if you can do that, I mean, it's really that simple. Now, for this switch, it was very simple to change over. Everything meshed and matched perfectly. I love the fact that all of the switch covers came in 27 different colors. So I was actually able to go in and, pick a color that was a perfect match to what I already had. So that was already a plus. So I'm going to share with you guys the final look of this project. And I mean, it did not take any time, probably 10 to 15 minutes to put together. I actually negotiated a cheaper rate with my electrician because it was so quick and so simple. You can purchase these at the Home Depot, Lowe's, and on Amazon. And I will be sure to leave the link to these down below if you are interested in cozying up a room in your home for the fall. Now that everything is in place, we are going to test the switch to make sure it's functioning properly. And then we are going to add the cover on. I absolutely love these covers because they hide all of the screws that were there before, and it makes the wall look so much more cleaner. And oh my gosh, I just love the dimming switch. I'm telling you guys, it is so amazing. I could not stop, adjusting to find the perfect mood for the room. And this is also great for guests if they don't want to turn on the lights because they're not familiar with the space when they're visiting. Now we are going to cozy up your guest bedroom. One of the things that I absolutely love doing is adding touches of fall without it explicitly saying fall. For example, these faux fur pillows are perfect for the fall. They add some warmth and some texture and some coziness to the bed without having to go out and purchase, the fall decor pillows that actually say fall or have pumpkins, which I do have some of those, but I really enjoy having the faux fur throws and pillows. It just adds so much warmth and comfort to your room. So I'm going to add those to the bed. And then I am going to replace the summer and spring items on my nightstand with a pumpkin just to add that little yet minimalistic touch of fall next to the bed on the nightstand. And then finally, I picked up this succulent pumpkin from Ross for $12.99. I thought it was absolutely amazing. I'm just going to simply replace the green ball that was there for the spring and the summer with the succulent pumpkin that looked so great, and it just adds the perfect touch of fall. Now my entire home is ready for fall, and I am so elated. I cannot wait to just walk into the room and just totally enjoy myself reading and meditating without having to worry about waking my husband at night by turning on the light. I just absolutely love having the dimmer in place. I'm definitely going to add another one to my kitchen, so you guys stay tuned for my fall tablescape. I know you guys have been waiting on this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have walked away with tons of tips on how to make your home cozy for the fall. Again, if you're interested in purchasing any of these dimmers, I will leave the links to all of them down below. You can get them at Home Depot, Lowe's, and Amazon. And if you're looking to add that perfect amount of coziness to your home this fall, the light dimmers are definitely the way to go. They give you over 250 different light levels to give you that perfect light no matter what you are doing or anyone else in your family is doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you 5 different ways that I plan to cozy up my home for the fall. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!